The iPhone 12 is almost here, but there's been so many leaks and rumors that we pretty much know exactly what to expect from the iPhone 12. But I want to take a look at some of those leaks and rumors and see if the iPhone 12 is really worth it. So let's take some time, look at everything that we know so far, and see if we can look forward to the iPhone 12. Apple's next event is October 13th, where they're expected to unveil the all-new iPhone 12. I'm really looking forward to it. I can't wait to see the all-new iPhone 12. But let's start off with the different versions of the iPhone 12, because things just got even more confusing. We're used to having 3 different versions of the iPhone, right? Actually 4 different versions with the iPhone SE. But this year around, the leaks and rumors are saying that we're going to get 4 different versions of the iPhone 12. The iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and if you count the iPhone SE, that's 5 different versions of iPhones that you can buy brand new. That's not including the previous generations that Apple usually continues to sell as well. So let's go through all of these leaked or rumored versions of the iPhone. Let's see what we know so far about each one and how they compare. So let's start off with the iPhone 12 mini. It's rumored to have a 5.4-inch display, dual cameras including a wide angle and ultra wide angle sensor. Storage ranges from 64 gigabytes to 256 gigabytes of storage, and it starts at only $699. So that's a great starting point for the iPhone 12. The next version, the regular iPhone 12, it's going to have a 6.1-inch display, the same dual camera setup as the iPhone 12 mini, same storage options, and that's going to start at $799. The iPhone 12 Pro also will come with a 6.1-inch display. It will also have the same wide and ultra wide camera sensors, but it's going to add a telephoto lens with 4 times optical zoom and a LiDAR sensor for AR, which we've seen already inside the iPad Pro. Storage ranges from 128 gigabytes to 512 gigabytes, and that's going to start at $999. The iPhone 12 Pro Max is going to have a 6.7-inch display, same camera setup as the iPhone 12 Pro, same storage as the iPhone 12 Pro, and it's going to start at $1,099. So the only difference between the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the larger display. The only difference between the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini is also the same thing, display size. They're going to be pretty much the same phones, except a different size display. When it comes to design, it's rumored to have the same iPad Pro-esque design, which means flat chamfered metal edges with smaller bezels and hopefully a smaller notch. There are plenty of mock-ups showing the new design of the iPhone 12, even a new color for the iPhone 12. We'll have to wait and see if that's actually true, but that's probably my favorite part of the iPhone 12, the design. I am so happy that Apple is going back to this design. I loved how the iPhone 4, the iPhone 5, I loved how they looked. And it's nice that Apple is bringing that back with the iPhone 12. It's also rumored that all 4 models will be 5G capable. Not sure if that's true, but that rumor's out there. And that they will also all have Apple's Super Retina XDR display. Once again, these are all leaks and rumors. We're going to have to wait and see on Tuesday, October 13th, if all of these things are true. But if they are, I am really looking forward to the iPhone 12 mini. I think that will probably be my favorite phone. That's the first phone I'm going to want to check out because it's going to have that small form factor. I actually think the iPhone 12 mini is going to be the most popular phone out of the 4. Not only because it's the cheapest, but because of that form factor. Everyone wants a smaller iPhone, right? So imagine an iPhone SE, that form factor with no bezels, a better display, a dual camera setup, and the latest chipset from Apple, the A14 Bionic. I think the iPhone 12 mini is going to be super popular. I think most people are going to go for the iPhone 12 mini, not only because it has all those things, it has that smaller form factor, but it's also the cheapest. It's only $699. So I think Apple's going to sell a lot of iPhone 12 minis. I think that will be the most popular iPhone out of the four, but we'll still have to wait and see. That's the one I'm looking forward to. That's just my opinion. Which iPhone 12 model are you looking forward to? Let me know with a comment down below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching.